Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is Ka. Hey, last week I didn't update and I didn't upload a video because I was waiting for this. Yes, this is the new Apple Watch and I'm going to do an unboxing today. If you are new to the channel, I'm Ka. It's lovely to have you here today, and I love to do review videos on gadgets that I get for work, for entertainment, for cooking. I also like to do videos on editing and video editing. So if these are your interested topic, please consider subscribing to the channel, and if you have already subscribed, thank you very much for coming back. So like I said today in earlier, and I am going to do a little bit unboxing of this new Apple Watch Series 6. Okay, so I'm actually very excited for this watch. Okay, I'll do some little talking while I am unboxing. Okay, so it came from UPS. Well, I was excited because I am coming from a very old Apple Watch, which is the Apple Watch Series 1 that I had for many years. This was the 42mm versions, okay? Came from this. Now this time I didn't buy the bigger size, I just went for the 40mm versions because I think my hand it's not that big, honestly. So and I choose to get the 40mm. I don't know if you can see this very well here, but anyhow, it's a 40mm space grade aluminum case version of the Apple Watch. Okay, it's been a long while since I got a watch, obviously, and I have trouble opening it nicely. Oh, okay, flopped open. Oh, nice. Alright, so I really like this Apple Watch, and I feel like the last week's conventions or release video from Apple, their focus, I feel like it was actually on this Apple Watch rather than on the iPad Air. That's how I feel like, because it was an hour of video and they spent over 30 minutes or to 35 minutes talking about Apple Watch. Of course, they talked about both the SE versions and as well as the Series 6. And out of the 30 minutes they spent on talking about the Apple Watch, 15 minutes were on the health functions of this watch and some of the corresponding service, those Apple Fit Plus that goes with it. So I really think Apple is going heavy on the health issues or health benefits of this watch. Alright, so here I have the standard charging cable there, which I think it looks the same as the previous generations, and they said in the video they were gonna skip the charger for this generation. So you're only getting the watch, which is right here, try to focus, right here, and the band, okay, and the cable. Okay, now I opt for this new solo loop, which I had to measure my waist. Now they do have a template like this where you could download a PDF and print it out and wrap around your hand, to see what size, or wrap around your wrist to see what size of a band you should be having, and as the label indicated, I need a size 8, so that's why I got a size 8 solo loop. Okay. Alright, I'm trying to see if I can just keep everything neat and not ripping off, tearing the paper. Okay, it is a little bit smaller than my 42 millimeter series 1 watch, as you see here, but it's not terribly small. Actually, with the case there, I felt it was too big for my hand a lot of the time. And let's unbox this solo loop. I hope the solo loop works well. I was actually a little bit nervous when I was buying or measuring my wrist size, because like if you got it wrong, you got it wrong, and basically that's the end of the story. You gotta buy a new band. I don't think you could return this band and get a new band if you got a wrong size there. Okay, so here is the loop. Yeah, so it really just goes in, loop it in one end. Okay, and another end. Geez, this loop looks small. I hope it'll fit on my wrist. It does. Huh, neat. So it fits very well. The measurement, works well, and I have a size 8. It's a little bit loose, not like terribly loose, which is just right and not very tight. Yeah, and if I put on a optional case or third-party case on it, it should just feel kind of more or less very neat size for me. Okay, and that's the unboxing part. Right, I don't know if the watch, okay, let me just hold on to it. Okay, I'm not exactly sure if it has power or not. Well, it does. Let's do a little bit pairing. Now, I haven't unpaired my old watch on my iPhone, and let's see how. Tells me to put it next to it, close to it. Pair new watch on your screen, and iPhone out of date. Your iPhone is out of date before you can pair it, or your Apple Watch, you will have to update to the latest versions of iOS. Alright. I couldn't do it right now. Let me come back to it and see what happened. Alright, I am finally back from the update. So, one of the most important thing you need to do before you can pair with your Apple Watch, if you haven't done so, is to update your iOS to iOS 14. Now, there's a lot of buzzing videos and news around the media saying that, hey, there are bugs on iOS 14, but if you want to pair your Apple Watch immediately, you don't have an option. Even though if there's a bug, if you don't want to wait, you have to do it right away. You have to update your watch right away. Set up for myself. So the app does look a little bit different. Alright. So restore from backup, set up as a new, well, let's do a backup. Yep, I think loading my existing app from my old watch is fine. And right now it's connecting. This may take a moment. And let's pause here and we'll come back, okay? And finally, my watch is ready. It does take a long time for it to get ready. Okay, it's all done. And now press the digital crown to start. Alright, now it's exactly the same as my old one in terms of everything that is in there, the face watch. I did it that way, okay, and well, it stopped popping up all the notifications. Now, definitely, if you're coming from a very early versions of Apple Watch, I feel like there is definitely the value to upgrade to Series 6. You get tons of new features and a lot faster watch. But if you are a current owner of a Series 5 Apple Watch, I think you can actually wait, maybe for the next generations. So you're getting the new oxygen detecting, but nevertheless it is still a kind of testing feature. I feel like it is definitely not a diagnostic tool or anything. It's not a medical device. So now, is it gonna be a medical device in the future? It's hard to say. Now, Apple does said that they're doing research with several universities, and hopefully maybe in the future or maybe future generations it get to a point where it can be approved as a medical device, and that would actually help its sales, because when it is approved as a medical device, chances are these watch will get reimbursed by insurance, and that is a lot of money. Heart rate, let's take a look. My heart rate. Okay, my heart rate is calm right now. Okay. Let's see, I want to see where is the oxygen. Alright, right here. So this is the blood oxygen level, and here are some tips that you can help you to take a good measurement. Make sure your watch is not too low on your waist. Okay, your watch band should be snug. Okay, I'm trying to position, but comfortable. Keep your watch face up and try not to move. Rest your waist on the table can help. Done. Alright, let's see how I'm breathing. Start. %. It's good to know I am quite healthy, at least at this point, in terms of my breathing. Alright, so that is the new feature that I want to show you guys. So the time it takes to pair my new Apple Watch was actually quite long because I haven't updated my phone to iOS 14. Now this is a must if you want to use your new Apple Watch Series 6 or your Apple Watch SE, then you will have to update to iOS 14 regardless if there is a bug or not. Okay, you don't have options, and hopefully Apple will get on to updating the iOS 14 very soon to eliminate those little bugs. So with this new Apple Watch Series 6, I am going to start a new series on this channel. So I'm going to be living, okay, really literally living with the new watch, and hopefully with all the new features and new apps, new service that is oriented around fitness, and I can utilize it to help me lose some weight that I have been gaining for the past many months. Okay, so I would hopefully be able to produce some vlog style video, and and then give you my experience and how good or how bad it is to motivate me to lose some weight and get into a little bit more healthy habit. Alright, that is all for this video. I know it is dragging, and I hope you like it in some way, and please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you very soon in another video. Bye.